we are. Wow. It's been a long time since I've been to Plemont. Pretty spectacular. Starting to rain. And you can see where bits of the cliff just collapsed. Wow, this is amazing. Paddy's gonna love it here. today. The sky is really sort of foreboding. It's drizzling every now and again. And as you can see, it's just wonderful. The cliffs, the caves. Fantastic. Wow, look at it up here. Another massive cave under where the cafe is. Really impressive. Wow. Beautiful. I think we better head back because we're getting cut off. The tide's coming up. It's been lovely down here. We'll come back down here again on a nice sunny day and explore some of the caves. But this is Jersey at its most beautiful again. We've seen some lovely beaches in the last couple of videos, and now we're going to get wet trying to get back to the steps. Don't know if you can see Paddy here. He's sort of so black, isn't he? But I've never seen him so wet. He's had a fantastic day, or morning, at Plemont. Paddy, say hello to the camera. Say hello to the camera, Paddy. He still wants to play with his ball. Yeah. Oh, oh. It's all right. We got it. We've got it, Paddy. Good catch. Come on, we're going back. I think he'd stay down here all morning if he could. Good boy, come on. And we go back up the steps. And this is, as I've told you before, Plemont Bay. And we'll have a last vista round on the steps. Lovely. Up we go, Paddy. Come on, up we go. Paddy, up. Good boy. That's all I need for him to drop his ball down there. Go back through the sea. Come on, Paddy. Alright, we're safe now. Then up granite steps. Really good. Really good. It's looking a bit brighter over there. Come on. Paddy, up we go. Sure, all this exercise is good for my heart. Had a heart attack about a year and a half ago. Very lucky. Maybe 2 years now. Lucky to be here. Gotta try to enjoy life as much as possible, even when you're walking up steep steps. Here he is. Come here, mate. Oh, don't get in the car like that. Yeah, hey. Good boy. You are soaking. Soaking. Come on, let me dry that. Let me give you a try. Good boy. Well, you won't need a bath now after all that. Come here. What's that? Look at your face. Oh, so much sand. Oh, got so much sand. Let me get it out. Come on. Let me get that out. Yeah. And your legs. We'll have to do your legs. Leg up. Back leg. Good boy. Right, this one. Good boy. It's not making much difference though. Front one. Good boy. This one. It's the other front one. Must be weird having 4 legs. I've had a few drinks. I find it hard to work the 2 I've got. Good boy. Right.